Hi Fragrance fam, it's me Maddie back here in the AFI Project Lab to share a cute Easter themed project that you can add to your line this spring season, complete with one of my favorite scents, blue honeyberry. So keep watching to see how I use it to make a pastel assortment of solid sugar scrubs. So to make solid sugar scrubs, silicone molds will be your best friend. So you can use them to create all kinds of unique shapes and sizes. Check these out. There's bunny, there's some Easter eggs, and some chicks. To find cute molds like this, search for candy or resin molds online or at your local craft store. So with your mold picked out, start by combining the ingredients. You'll need some melt and pour soap base. This can be clear or opaque. It's just whatever you prefer, really. Clear bases will yield more saturated colors, whereas a white base will give you more of a pastel hue, which is what I'm going for with these scrubs, hence why I chose white. Go ahead and measure it out in a heat safe container and then add in some coconut oil, which is what we have right here. It'll add some moisture to the scrubs without making them feel too soft to use. And then finish off with your main ingredient, which is a pinch of stearic acid, just to make the sugar scrubs feel somewhat silky. We're gonna go ahead and add these in, then we're gonna pop it into the microwave and get it all melted down. So when you're melting down your base, just make sure you're heating it in intervals of about 30 seconds just to prevent the soap base from boiling or scorching, and stir it in between each interval to make sure all the ingredients, including the stearic acid, is nice and melted. We need to work quickly while it's still liquid, so we're going to go ahead and add in our blue honeyberry fragrance at a 3% concentration, and then I'm going to use a teaspoon of mica powder in the shade of beautiful sky blue. We're going to go ahead, make sure it's nice and mixed together, and go on to our next steps. So to finish up the sugar scrub recipe, you will of course need sugar. I like to use a fine white grain sugar for gentle exfoliation. Work fast and pour the scrub mixture while it's still liquid because it will firm up pretty fast. If it gets too crumbly, you can pop it into the microwave for a couple of more intervals until you're able to pour it. But be mindful though, too much heat will melt the sugar and we don't want that to happen. Make sure the scrub fills up the details of the mold and they'll start cooling right away. And you'll only need to wait about an hour or so and then you can unmold them. I'm going to make a couple more batches in different colors and I'll be back to show you guys the final product in just a bit. We're gonna go ahead and dunk these little cuties into some sugar, just give it a little bit of pizzazz, razzle dazzle, whatever phrase you want to use. Dunk them in and then we'll be good to go. So there we have it. These look and they smell so good. I kind of want to eat them, but we're not going to do that. To use these solid sugar scrubs, gently rub the treats on any skin you'd like to exfoliate under some running water. I recommend using these on your elbows, knees, and ankles just to really soften them up, but with a gentle hand. You can use them anywhere below the neck. Well, let me know what you guys think of my sugar scrubs down below. I hope this video gave you guys some product inspo for the spring and more. Feel free to tweak the formula and design them to suit your brand. And make sure to head over to our web store to pick up some of this blue honeyberry fragrance. And don't forget to sign up for a newsletter while you're there so you don't miss out on our weekly discount codes. You can make this at a discount. Okay, well that's all I have for you guys today. I hope to catch you guys in the next video really soon. I'm Maddie and this is just a bye for now.